girls, welcome back to your girls channel. I am back with another video. This video is a quick everyday beat, dolls. I know that we don't always want the cut creases, the glitters and all of that jazz all the time. Sometimes we just want it cute, the more sweet. We want to go from A to B. So this is the look for that. All I've done is literally a smoky eyeliner. That's all I did. Smoked out eyeliner is very easy, very quick. You can see how it was done in this video. So the eyes are done, guys. All I did was literally, I added my gel pot liner. I did like a wing and then I just smoked it out. I just want everything to be soft, cute, not too much fuss. Okay, well, I should have said a disclaimer about these lashes before. This is an everyday look, but these are the only lashes I have at the moment, but they're very full and thick, as you can tell. So I prefer to go with a more lash for this everyday beat, but just for the sake of the look and because I only have these lashes at the moment, this is what I'm gonna go with. Okay, doll, so the look is done. I'm just gonna set my face, add my blusher and my highlighter. Oh, and my lips. Gonna add my Makeup Academy blush in Rose Tea. So I have this Revolution Pro highlight palette and I'm just gonna add that in my tear duct. So I'm gonna go in with the Lace Detail gloss from NYX. Well, dolls, this is the beat. I told you guys that it was not gonna take ages and that I was not gonna do a lot. This is an everyday look. I didn't OD on my contouring or, you know, my concealer. Everything is just nice, blended in. I hope you guys enjoy this beat. I hope you guys try out this beat. Let me know if you're feeling it in the comments below and I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, dolls, and I will see you soon.